My name is Guillaume A. I work for Droxlab, which is a French security company, and we are holding here an automotive workshop about car hacking. So it's a 101 car hacking workshop to explain to people the basics of how it works. And the thing I wanted to show to people is how to communicate with their car, to get information and be able to hack into it. So you can see here we have 4 different cars from different brands, because it works for basically any brand. And we are using the devices that the car mechanic use in their garage to repair the cars, because those kind of tools give access to the CAN bus of the car and to the other buses. So the people here are working on their car to get access to their car and see the frames that are transmitted on the CAN bus of the car. So the first task is to sniff the traffic, and then they will be able to replay the frames to trigger some specific actions in their car. So those actions can be, for example, unlock the doors, or unlock the brake, or those kind of information. So it's fun. I would like people here to learn a lot of things and to have fun at the same time. That's the purpose of this workshop. Thank you.